So we got the tiniest Bluetooth speaker we could find, and we're hooking it up to an app on the phone with realistic fart sounds. And we're gonna stick it in people's pockets and try to make it look like they're the ones farting. Huh?
Keeps telling us it's fart. It's not me. It's you.
Oh no, no. Sometimes I get that too, man. Don't worry about it. It's cool. I don't need to be embarrassed. What?
Is that thing making noise?
Oh no, no, I get gas sometimes too, man. Don't worry about it.
Oh, okay.
Have a good day.
Oh, you too.
Excuse you.
That's what that noise up, so I don't know what that is.
That was you?
It wasn't me. I got better tools than that. Somebody got one of the machines running, someone making that noise.
I mean, I get it sometimes too, man. You're good. You don't. It's it's okay. You know.
All right.
You don't need to be embarrassed about it. You know.
Yes, sir.
You hear that
What's that noise?
noise? Sound like somebody's farting. I don't know what that is. Somebody goes, see?
Is it you?
No, I ain't got gas.
You ain't got gas?
No, man. Everybody been looking at me real funny and see? I didn't move.
That's all right. Ain't nothing to be embarrassed about.
You still letting them rip?
We just snuck a speaker in your pocket.
Oh.
It might be the other one. No.
I'm keeping it now.
Had the app.
I kept going. Jesus. It sounds like it's right
We were trying to wait till you were next to people and get them to like look at you.
Yeah.
I thought I felt something stuck in my pocket.
My goodness, how did they do that?
Merry Christmas,
We were joking with you, man.
Merry
I thought I
Christmas.
felt something.
That was good.
I'm like, it's okay. You don't need to be embarrassed. Like, excuse you.
He's like, I don't know if it's one of these foods. We might have to take it back.
Look, man, don't blame it on everyone else.
Where's the camera? Y'all have a good day.
All right, you too, man. He liked it, dude. That was awesome. I love it, dude. I love when people like it like that.
Yeah. We snuck a speaker in the
that you?
pocket. Yeah.
I said, I was just telling myself, how did I
I get my phone? Here. That's funny.
Thank you. Every time it farted, like he'd take his phone out and look at his phone.
Then he put it up to his ear.
He's like, what the heck?
It's like, hello, fart? Is that you?
He's like, what's going on here?